I like to blow it, blow it. I like to groove it, groove it.
I'll have the
I want flowers on my cake.
I know. Do you want a flower for your piece?
Yeah, I do too. I like king cake.
Me too. Do you like eating
Can I
pizza?
like take this out of here? And the black part?
Oh, you might be able to. Might have a little discount rate.
Oh yeah. Yep. I love
Thank you for the birthday.
You're welcome. And your mom too, and your dad too.
I mean this.
I like having birthdays.
Especially when you're not feeling sick.
Mom said
Yeah.
I could do it.
Yeah.
Why not taking more?
Yeah. That isn't that good? And
Uh-huh.
you're not itchy?
I'll do it again.
I'm
Each way.
still itchy.
Just a little bit itchy?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
Just
don't
pull
feel
that a little bit
feel.
more. Straight down.
I have a healing for that.
Okay.
One more time.
You have medicine for it? Mm.
Because I ran out of medicine, my itchy medicine.
Itchy medicine?
Uh-huh.
Does it help?
But it's gone because I just don't use. I just missed
1,
that.
2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Huh, ice cream?
Yeah.
I want cake and ice cream.
Oh, boy.
baby one.
Oh, look at that cute
I
little
do.
piece.
So you cut how many pieces, David? Did you get 6?
8.
Oh, 8.
Yep. Cute little baby. Look at that cute little baby piece coming for you, Tirza.
Sure.
Put it in your ice cream bowl.
Or do you want it in a different plate?
I'll have it.
on plate.
You don't want it right in your bowl?
Yeah, you got it.
That's what I want, right in my bowl. That's even better.
No,
I just put ice cream.
I wouldn't.
I would.
No,
Make it soggy.
Do you like
I'll have wine right in my
Do you
bowl.
want ice
please.
cream or cake?